sontskeittiö Kerttulin kallio.
Okay, let's take a quick ride here. It's Orona. It's a Kellonsoittajankatu 3 to 7 in Turku, Turku, Finland stekesi. I have filmed the stekes B here. Maybe you can also check the stekes A later quickly. And then there are the stekes D and E, but I'm not sure what generics they have there.
Yeah.
It's rare. I mean, the replacement is rare.
Yeah.
I think it was replaced in 2016, maybe.
Yeah.
It's Orona's, but it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. But this was originally built in 1959.
Yeah.
It has a door close one.
Yeah.
It's fast enough, so it's always been faster.
Yeah.
But too bad it's covered because of innovation.
Yeah.
Press K. It's thin doors, quite thin.
Yeah.
Probably not.
Hmm.
Ah, there's the seal.
Yeah.
It's 314193C.
That's